Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths लगे रहो. In today's class we are learning 3D geometry remaining MCQ questions theory dear students. Now let us see the next question 11th. If a line makes pi by 2, pi by 3, pi by 6 with x, y, z axis respectively, find its direction cosines are what? So direction cosines usually we will write it as L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta and n is equal to cos gamma dear students. So these are the direction cosines dear students. L, M, N are called as what? Direction cosines. So now here they have given the angles dear students. X axis how much it is making pi by 2, y axis pi by 3, z axis pi by 6. That means this pi by 2 is nothing but with x axis means alpha. It is the alpha dear students. Cos alpha is how much? This is alpha, beta and gamma. Y axis beta will take, gamma as a z axis dear students. So now L is equal to cos alpha. Alpha is how much? Pi by 2 with x axis and M is equal to cos beta. Beta means y axis. Y axis is given angle pi by 3. L is equal to cos gamma dear students. Gamma means what? Pi by 6. So now cos 90 degree is how much? 0. Cos 90 under 0. So cos pi by 3 means 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. N is what? Cos 30 degree. Pi by 6 means what? 30 degree. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2 dear students. So these are the direction cosines dear students. Our option is matching with what? B for bingo. Bingo is our answer dear students. I hope it is clear everyone. We'll go for the next question. Please copy this one. Let us see the next question dear students. Question number 12. So 12 they are given what? Distance of a point alpha, beta, gamma from y-axis is what dear students? So distance of a point alpha, beta, gamma from y-axis. So now see any point on y-axis. Any point on y-axis. Distance ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Any point on y-axis ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Any point on y-axis is 0 beta 0 dear students. So this is what distance any point on y-axis dear students. I have to find here what? Distance between this point and y-axis. So point is already known for you. That is point is given pointer. This is a given point is how much? That is alpha, beta, gamma. So this is x1, y1, z1. This is x2, y2, z2 dear students. So distance between this required distance is what? Distance is how we will find distance between the 2 points in 3D. X2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square dear students. So then you substitute the values. X2 is what? Alpha minus x1 is 0, alpha minus 0 whole square, and y2 is beta and y1 is also beta. Beta minus beta whole square. Z2 is gamma. Z1 is 0 whole square dear students. Just we are substituting. Alpha minus 0 is alpha. Alpha whole square is alpha square. So beta minus beta is 0, 0 square, and gamma minus 0 is gamma. Gamma whole square is gamma square. So now we will get here alpha square as is 0 square is 0. You leave the 0 value dear students plus gamma square. This is the required distance dear students. So then it is matching with option D dear students. So D for Delhi is our correct answer. So please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question dear students. Question number 13. The reflection of the point alpha, beta, gamma in the xy plane is. Now see here. XY plane means what? So here you see. This is the XY plane. You think this is Z axis, this is X, and this is Y. So of course Z is positive this side. This will be what? Negative Z dash. This point is what? Dash. Z dash dear students. This is what axis is. Z dash dear students. That means negative. So in XY plane, if you take any point you say here. Suppose you are saying this alpha, beta, gamma. Its reflection is what on this point? So if you say how much this is there, no here point, that much only reflection will be there. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ x axis ಇಂದ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತನಕನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದರ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೀಳತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆನ್ xy plane is what they are asking, alpha beta. So xy plane means x and y are positive, that is alpha beta gamma. Can you see here in this point, in this plane z is what, negative, z dash is there or not? So that's why its reflection will become gamma, will become minus gamma, dear students. Why gamma has become what, minus gamma? So why gamma has become here what, minus gamma? So gamma is what here, minus gamma. Why it has become? Because here z is what, negative, dear students. So that's why our option will go for D, dear students. D for Delhi is our answer. I hope it is clear. We'll see the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 14. The direction ratios of the line passing through the 2 points. So 1, minus 1, 1 and minus 1, 1, 1. So however you do, dear students, now see here. We have to find here direction ratios. Now in direction ratios and A and B are given here, dear students, points. So that A is given as 1, minus 1, 1 and B is given as here, B is minus 1, 1, 1, dear students. Easily we can find 1 minus of minus 1. So x1 minus x2 I am doing, dear students. Obviously we can do that x2 minus x1 also. x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2 both are same only, dear students. But here in this question we have to do what? x1 minus x2 only. Both are direction ratios. So now see here. Here also we will work on what? x1 minus x2. x1 is 1 minus I have written x2 is what? Minus 1. So y2 is what now? y1 is minus 1 minus of y2 is 1, dear students. So next is what? z1 is 1, z2 is how much? 1, dear students, minus 1. So now what we will get? This is our direction ratios. So minus into minus plus 1. So minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2, 0, dear students. So our option is A, dear students. So A for awesome is our answer. So please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 15. If a line has the direction ratios 2, minus 1, minus 2, then its direction cosines are what? Very easy, dear students. Easily we can find here. You see here. So x, y, z, the direction ratios are what we can say? These are x, y, z, dear student. Direction ratios are given as what here? 2, minus 1, minus 2 is given. We have to find here direction cosines. These are nothing but x, y, z. X is 2, y is minus 1, z is 2, dear students. So now see here, direction cosines are how we will find, you know? Just we have to do like this. X upon square root x square plus y square plus z square. So y upon square root x square plus y square plus z square, comma z upon square root x square plus y square plus z square. So this much simple is there. Some of the books they will refer ABC also. If you want, you can go through ABC also. Otherwise, XYZ is more enough. So now see here, XYZ square root I will find. Since square root how to find? X square plus y square plus z square. How will find? You see, what is x, dear students? X is what? 2 square. 2 square I can write. What is y value? Y is what? Minus 1 whole square. And z is what? Z is minus 2 whole square. So how much you will get? You see here, square root of 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1, dear students. Don't write minus 1 now. This is plus 1, dear students. Minus 1 square is 1. So minus 2 square is 4. So you will get it as a root 9. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Root 9 is nothing but 3. So just substituting DCs now. Direction cosines. Formula is there, x upon this, x is what? 2. So 2 by square root of x square plus y square plus z square is what? That is 3. 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. So y is what? Minus 1 by 3 you can write, and z is minus 2 by 3. So these are the direction ratios. Square root is same only for everything. So you have to divide by this one. 3, you will get the answer. So which option will matches here? That is matching with B, dear students. So B for bingo. Bingo is our answer, dear students. So if you are understanding, please like my channel. Don't forget, I can't come and press the like button, dear students. So I hope you will support and you will like my channel. So please press and we will go for the next question. Don't forget. Fine? If you are understanding, then only. Fine? So we'll see the next question. Copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 16. The Cartesian equation of a line x minus 5 divided by 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 7 is equal to z minus 6 by 2. Then vector equation of the line. We have to say what is the vector equation. Cartesian equation is given. Cartesian equation, see here, dear students. This will be in the standard form, like this we will write. Cartesian equation standard form. X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c, dear students. So now see here, vector a is nothing but x1 I cap, y1 j cap, z1 k cap, dear students. And vector b is here a I cap, b j cap plus c k cap. These a, b, c are called as vector b, dear students here. So this is what we have learnt in theorem, dear students. 3D theorem, everyone know this. So this is what we are writing. So vector equation I have to find. Vector equation. That asked vector equation. Sometimes, dear students, vector equation also is called as vector form. Sir, ನೀವು vector equation ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ, vector form ಹೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. No, vector equation and vector form both are same only, dear students. Don't forget. I hope it is clear, everyone. So now see here, vector equation. What is the formula? Vector r is equal to a plus lambda into b. Basically you used to write like this. So vector r is equal to a plus lambda into b. What is a vector, dear students here? Observe. What is a vector? x1 I cap, y1 j cap, z1 k cap. x1 is what here? x1 is 5. 5 I cap. y1 is what? y1 is minus 4, dear students. Why minus 4? See here. Y minus of minus 4 it is. It is looking like this. Minus into minus plus 4. That means in simple I can say you here negative is there means here it will come positive. Here if it is positive means then you will get here negative, dear students. Understood or not? If it is here negative means here positive will get. So then what I can write? So y1 is what here? Minus 4. Can you see? Y minus y1. y1 is what? Minus 4. So minus into minus plus 4. That is minus 4 j cap and z1 is what? 6. 6 k cap. Lambda into vector b is what? B is ABC. ABC are what? 3, 7, 2. So then 3 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 2 k cap. So this is our answer, dear students, which will matches, you see, 5 minus 4, 6, 3, 7, 2. That is matching with C, dear students. So C for cake. Cake is our answer, dear students. Please copy this. We'll go for the next question, dear students. I hope you have liked my channel. Don't forget, once again reminding. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 17. The equation of a line parallel to x-axis. Equation of line. See here. Equation of line is parallel. Parallel means vector B is coming, dear students. So parallel to what? X-axis and passing through what? Origin. This line is passing on origin, dear students. Just for your understanding purpose, I had drawn. Not accurately as the question. Again you will say, sir, line is not passing on origin and you are saying it is passing on origin. Never. So just for your understanding purpose, it is related to your theorem I am saying, dear students. That much. So Cartesian equation, how we will write? X minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 by b. Just now we have discussed. Z minus z1 by c. A, b, c are called as what? Vector b. x1, y1, z1 are called as point. Correct? Vector a, dear students. So now see here, equation of line is what? Equation of line is parallel to what? X axis. If it is the parallel to x axis means so then what their direction cosines are what, dear students? So those will become, if see here, line is parallel to x axis, then what will happen? You know the points 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 you will get point. However, see here, suppose you think this is a x, y and z. Line is on lying on what? This. How much angle it will make? 0. Other is 90, 90. Just now I had shown you 3D figure. You observe this is a x, this is x axis, a y, a z. X axis, suppose marker is on this, line is on this x axis, that means making how much angle? 0 here. No angle is making 0. Other it is what? Other it is, can you see? This is 90 degree it will make. Can you see this? Outside this z axis, it is making 90 degree for this, and for this also it is making 90 degree for this thumb also. So that's why cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0, cos 90 is 0. That's why line parallel to x axis is 1, 0, 0. If it is y axis, 0, 1, 0, z axis 0, 0, 1. So passing through what point? Origin. Origin point is given as what? Vector A. This is the vector B, you think. So vector B, A is given how much? That is given as origin 0, 0, dear students. ABC. These are ABC. These are nothing. Sorry, I am writing wrong, dear student. So these are nothing but points are called as x1, y1, z1, and these are your ABC. ABC. Parallel vector. B is represented as ABC. Point is represented as x1, y1, z1. Now substitute in Cartesian equation. Therefore Cartesian equation x minus x1 is 0. X1 is 0 divided by A. A is what? 1. Y minus 0 divided by 0. Z minus 0 divided by 0, dear students. See ABC I am putting here. ABC are what? 1, 0, 0. X1, Y1, Z1 are 0, 0. So what we will get? X minus 0 is x divided by 1. Y minus 0 is y divided by 0. Z minus 0 divided by Z minus 0 is z divided by 0. So which option is matching? You observe here. That is matching with option B, dear students. So B for bingo is our answer. So please copy this. We'll go for the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 18. The angle between the straight lines x plus 1 divided by 7, y is equal to y minus 2 divided by minus 5 is equal to z plus 3 divided by 1, and x minus 1 divided by 1, y is equal to y plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to z minus 3 divided by 3 is. We have to find here angle between the two lines. What is the formula, dear students? Angle between the two lines is cos theta is equal to vector b1 dot vector b2 divided by magnitude of b1 into magnitude of vector b2, dear students. So what is b1? Just now we have seen vector b, what will represent? ABC, no? So ABC are what? 7 minus 5, 1. Yes sir. This is two lines are there. Vector b1 here what? 7 I cap minus 5 j cap plus k cap, dear students. So vector b2 is what? B2 is how much? B2 is what? 1, 2, 3. Two lines are there. That's why b1 and b2 will come. Otherwise only b would have came. So here I cap 2 j cap 1 I cap means I cap only. So plus 3 k cap 1 into I cap अंदर ಒಂದೇ I cap अंदरನು ಒಂದೇ ಅದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So cos theta is equal to ನೀವೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ b1 is what? b1 ಏನಿದೆ 7 I cap minus 5 j cap plus k cap dot b2 ಏನಿದೆ I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. So उसका magnitude ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಪ್ಪ. So magnitude of b1 ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಿ? x ಏನಿದೆ 7 square plus y ಏನೈತಿ minus 5 whole square ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ z ಏನಿದೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ b2 ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಯರ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. z ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು z ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ is nothing but 3 whole square dear students. z ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಇದೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ i ನಿಂದ i ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. i to j ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇರೆದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ i to i ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 7 into 1 7 i ನಿಂದ i ಮತ್ತೆ i ಬರೆದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರ. ಸೊ I you should not write dot product, only gives number. No, don't write I cap dot I cap is 1. I j ದಿಂದ j ಮಾಡ್ರಿ minus 5 into 2 minus 10. Next k ದಿಂದ k ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 1 into 3. So how much here? So this is 7 square 49 plus 25 49 plus 25 plus 1 square is 1. Actually we have got the answer already, but still I will show you. 1 square plus 4 plus 9. So how much you got above denominator? You can see 7 minus 10 is minus 3. 7 minus 10 and the ಎಷ್ಟು minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 0. 0 divided by anything is 0 only dear students. So cos 0 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? So in which angle it will become 0 dear students? Cos 0, everyone know which you have learned in 10th standard. Cos 90 degree ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So here radian I have not given, that's why I will use 90 only. Cos 90 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು cos 90. So theta value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos ಹೋಯಿತು. So theta will become 90 degree dear students. So how much, what is your answer? That is D dear students. D for Delhi. Delhi is our required answer. Please copy this. We'll go for the next question. So let us see the next question dear students. Question number 19. Lines x minus 1 divided by minus 3, y minus 2 divided by 2k is equal to z minus 3 divided by 2, and x minus 1 divided by 3k is equal to y minus 1 by 1 is equal to z minus 6 divided by minus 5 are perpendicular. Then what? So perpendicular means what? They are having a 90 degree dear students, like this. 90 degree will be there. Understood? So 90 degree is there. So the 90 degree means what? Cos 90 is 0. So just now we have written an angle between the two lines. What this is there? Will you agree? So this was what we have written for understanding purpose. Angle is how much? Cos 90. Cos 90 is how much? Cos 90 is 0 or not? Cos 90 is 0 means cross multiply 0 into anything is 0. So then b1 dot b2 is equal to 0. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ perpendicular ಇದ್ರೆ 90 degree ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So cos 90 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 into anything is 0. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. b1 dot b2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So now here perpendicular, given lines are what? Perpendicular. Given lines are perpendicular means what? b1 dot b2 is equal to 0. Then what is b1 dear students? b1 just discussion ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Just now I had discussed. What is b1? Two lines are there and these are in standard form, of course. So minus 3 I cap plus 2k j cap plus 2k cap 2k j cap 2k cap, and vector b2 is what? 3k I cap, and this is 1 j cap 1 I will not write, so minus 5 k cap. So now you know dot product how we will multiply. So see here I will write therefore b1 dot b2 is equal to 0. b1 is I will write. मैं अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पज कादरू बरीता इतने आपको समझने के लिए लिख रहा हूं मैं. एक्चुअली ये लिखना नहीं था, ऑलरेडी लिख चुका हूं मैं b1 b2. therefore equal to 0 क्यों हुआ? b1 dot b2 is equal to 0. now ಇದನ್ನ i ದಿಂದ i ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. i से i को मल्टीप्लाई करो. -3 into -3 into plus 3k minus 9k minus 3 into 3 is minus 9, k is there, k I wrote. Now j to j, 2k into 1, 2k, so now k to k, so 2 into minus 5 is what? Minus 10 is equal to 0. So how much? Minus 9k plus 2k minus 7k minus 10 equal to 0. Will you agree? Minus 9k ಒಳಗೆ 2k ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus 7k ಉಳಿತದ. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ minus 9 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಸೊ of course 2 is greater, I know that. So minus 10 if you take this side plus 10, k is equal to how much? 10 by minus 7. This is our required answer. They are asked k value. So k value is the minus 10 by 7 is correct answer is D. D for Delhi is our answer. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 20. Two lines actually. Two lines x minus 5 divided by 7 is equal to y plus 2 by minus 5 is equal to z by 1 and x by 1 is equal to y by 2 is equal to z by 3 are. So these are parallel lines, perpendicular lines, skew lines or none of this. So which is, this is none of this, don't get confused. So now see which option is correct in this. So B1 is what, dear students? B1 everyone know, 7 I cap 7 minus 5 j cap. ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ ಇದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀರಿ B1 ನ B2. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. So now this is what k cap, 1 k cap. So B2 ಏನಿದೆ I cap and this is 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. B1 dot B2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? B1 dot B2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. B1 dot B2 I ಲಿಂದ I ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? I ಲಿಂದ I ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 7 1 ಜಾ 7 minus j ದಿಂದ j ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, minus 5 into 2 minus 10, k to k 1 into 3 3. How much you got this? 7 plus 3 is 10 minus 10. So 10 minus 10 is get cancelled, you will get 0. So if it is giving 0 B1 dot B2, then given lines are perpendicular, dear students. So B1 dot B2 is equal to 0 means they are perpendicular, that is matching with option B. B for bingo is our answer, dear students. I hope you understood this one. So if you are understanding and liking this video, please like and subscribe my channel, don't forget. So each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. We are not asking a fees for you for this. My fees is nothing but liking and your comments. That is my fees. This is totally free of cost, dear students. So I'll meet you in my next class. Tab tak lage raho maths ke saath. Thank you, dear students. Copy this one.